finger. Who cares?
It's mini and not mini.
Awesome.
Hey, slide.
There's just one more there. I can get it.
Ew, why was that girl bleeding?
Ew.
Remember, she was taking
She cut herself.
She cut herself like.
No, she cut herself on her finger.
With some saucy. Look what your mom did. She cut her nails.
What's wrong with her? Are you serious?
No, it's nail polish.
Don't like these now. I feel like nails. I think they're.
You know how heavy this food is.
This is all gonna make me win.
Let's take me off by myself. Thought.
Way out of it. Why is it stuck in my head?
Because we listened
Do not say that's over here.
Bye, Angie. She's going to take it out. I'm going to go to the computer. And y'all call. Oh my gosh, she's taking it down. Oh my god, I think she's having difficulties. What did she eat? I'm just gonna leave her alone. You should listen to this noise.
Alexis! What are you doing in there?
I hear the toilet flushing. I think she's done.
I think we're gonna need a lot of spray.
Here's some Febreze. Febreze! Oh, I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Can't breathe.
Can't breathe.
More. Extra.
There's the shitter.
This is where I'm kind of weird.
Whose is that really?
It's mine.
Whatever.
Somehow I don't believe you.
Did your mom say call her when you get to my? Oh, no, I'm stupid.
You should call your aunt. You should ever call your aunt.
Yeah.
I never remembered her saying call me.
Never.
Never.
Maybe it's just like common sense. We don't have any of that, so. Should I
Why
turn
is
it
my hair
off?
so ill?
Yeah.